Alright guys, I'm gonna show you what you need to do on this refrigerators with water dispensers on them. Well, that is a number right there. So you can see right there is a LG LFX S30766S. Now I did a video on how to change the filter and the air filter on the inside. Now one thing that I noticed, this is gonna be the second time I clean it. A lot of people don't tend to look on the water dispenser nozzle. A lot of crap gets piled up, build up in there, mold and stuff. So you guys have got to be careful. Since we bought it, I only cleaned it once till now. This is gonna be the second time. Yesterday when I dispensed a little bit of water, a piece of mold got into a cup, and that's when I noticed, you know what, I need to change it. And you can see right there on the outer rim right here, you can see it. Now right now we're using Brita filter jar, but see all that shit right there, excuse my language, but that is not healthy, guys, especially if you have kids, man. So right now I got this Clorox wipe. I'm gonna clean in there, and I actually got a Q-tip, so I'm gonna clean it very good, man. So guys, be careful, check it out, those that haven't cleaned it in months or years. So there you have it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. It's all about healthy water, man. There's no point of you just cleaning the water filter and the air filter. Gotta clean this often also. So there you have it, guys. Peace, and I'm out. Alright guys, here's a clean Q-tip. Just watch. Shove that thing in there, man. See, there's a little bit of stuff. I twist it. Clean the sides. It's the second Q-tip I use, see? All that shit build up in there, man. Look, it's disgusting. The blue nozzle is very close to this edge right here, so I cannot get in between this gray plastic and the blue nozzle. You really need something very thin, like a hairpin, maybe a paper clip. Look, it's just gross, man. So make sure you clean it once in a while. After you do it, make sure you dispense, I will say maybe like about a gallon. Make sure all that loose debris in there, you know, comes out. So that's one thing I forgot to mention, guys. So there you have it.